Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Samsung Notes for beginners. Samsung Notes is a powerful note-taking app that lets you create, organize, and manage notes all in one place. Let us get started. The first thing is to open the Samsung Notes app on your Samsung phone. When the app opens, you will see the All Notes screen. If you have not created any notes yet, the screen will display a message saying No Notes. To create your first note, tap the Create Note button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. A new blank note will open. At the top of the screen, tap the Title field and enter a title for your note. Below the title is the main writing area. Tap anywhere in the blank space and start typing your note using the on-screen keyboard. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see the editing toolbar. The first button is the drawing mode icon, which lets you write or draw using your finger or an S Pen. Next is the checklist icon. Tap it to create a to-do list with checkboxes. The paragraph icon allows you to apply formatting such as bold, italic, or underline, and paragraph formatting. Tap the text style icon to adjust font color, the text box icon to adjust font background. Next, tap the Font Size option to increase or decrease the size of your text. The Undo button reverses your last action, while the Redo button restores an action you have undone. At the top right corner, tap the Book icon to view your note in reading mode. Tap the plus button to insert items such as images, voice recordings, drawings, PDFs, or other supported content. Finally, tap the More button represented by the 3 vertical dots to access additional options. When you finish creating your note, simply tap the Back button in the upper left corner. Samsung Notes automatically saves your note, so there is no need to tap a Save button. You will now return to the All Notes screen where your newly created note will appear in the list. To open a note later, simply tap on it. To edit a note, open it and make your changes. Your edits are saved automatically. If you want to organize your notes, tap the Menu button in the upper left corner. From there, you can access folders, create new folders, view categories such as trash, and open the app's settings. To search for a note, tap the search icon at the top of the screen and type a keyword from your note. If you want to delete a note, press and hold the note from the All Notes screen, then tap the delete icon and confirm your choice. That's it. You have successfully learned the basics of using Samsung Notes. You can now create, edit, organize, and manage your notes with confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.